Today, we are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. First, we need a tub and a lid. Let's put the sticker on the lid. Today, we are working with the letter Q. This is an uppercase Q, and this is a lowercase q. Next, let's put the letter Q on the tub. There it is, an uppercase Q and a lowercase q. Next, let's put the sticker on the bottom of the lid. There it is, and it has an uppercase Q and a lowercase q on it. Let's find the things that go in the bucket. First, let's find the uppercase Q. Next, let's find the lowercase q. Now let's see what we need. We need something called a question mark. It is a shape, and you will see this symbol in sentences when someone's asking a question. Next, we need a queen. Here's a queen. She's wearing purple. She's on her throne. Next, we need a coin called a quarter. Next is a blanket called a quilt. Quilts are usually very nicely decorated. Next is a rock called quartz. It's the type of rock it is, quartz. And finally, we're looking for a bird called a quail. There's a feather sticking out of his head. Let's review and put the things in the bucket. First, an uppercase Q. Next is a lowercase q. Next is a question mark. Next is a queen. Now we need a quarter. Next is the quartz. Next is the quilt. And finally, the little bird called a quail. He's laying on the quilt. We can put the lid on this one. It's all done. That's everything with the letter Q. After Q comes the letter R. See you next time.